Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm a blacksmith at Cambridge Forge. Dates back from the 1700s and everything's all original. We do traditional forging here and we run courses and take on commissions and stuff as well. So we welcome visitors here. People come in and they have a go on the forge, they make hooks, just something like that. From hooks to love arts and dragons and all kinds of stuff. There's my dragon. I should have got that in the shot. While you're here, I'll show you how to make one of these. Just a love art, quick forging. Just using a bit of this, bit of mild steel. The steel burns at about 1450, so we get it as hot as we can without melting it or burning it. The hotter you get the steel, the softer it is and the easier it is to work, so just got to keep an eye on it. Leave it in too long and it starts to burn. And we round it off. Been forging now for about 18 years, coming up to 18 years. Lucky I did it from a young age, did it from the age of 13. So. Got a little bend in it. Done that. So to get the curve, we're going to hammer it over the pointy bit, the beak.